G'day folks and welcome back, and a big warm welcome to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm KC, and today, if you've ever bought a Trax model, you would have noticed that they come in these little boxes. Right, more about that in a moment. Now, I bought this off the internet, off an eBay guy called OldBright. And so I put his name up under the screen there. JD's given me a 15% off code for you to use. It'll be up on the screen there, called Sales Taz. Links will be in the description to go to his shop. He has models and all that sorts of various things. He's an Australian seller. He ships standard in Australia, ships express in Australia, also ships international. Alright, so in here we have a Trax model, which I said to you, we're going to have a bit more of a talk about it. I have a little story. I used to own one of these cars back in about 1982, 83. So stick with us and we'll get him out and then I'll tell you some more. There we go. Now I had that exact same colour. That's it. It was so cool to be able to find that. Now I had the V8 version, which was the 4416cc alloy auto. Now I did detail it up. I actually swapped the HR Holden Ute for it, that I was doing restoration work on for myself, and I got bored with it. I wouldn't have got bored with it if I had it today, but anyway, and I swapped it for that there, plus a Honda CB 350 motorcycle. Righto, let's get him out of the box and okay, out of the box, job done. Now these were made brand new back in June 1973, Leyland P76 Super. And they came out with two engines, the 6-cylinder, and like I said, I had the V8 one. The boot capacity in that was absolutely huge. It was 36 cubic foot, just the boot. Anyway, needless to say, I said I'll swap my HR for it all up there. Now remember where you can go to this guy's site there, it's called OldBright. Name's up on the screen. Also the 15% discount code is up on the screen. Links are all in the description below where you can go and buy models of him. He has also kit models and all that sort of stuff, plus a other variety of other wonderful things. When I got this car home, the transmission, I got it home, and by the time I got home the transmission had decided to give up. So I bought another transmission and I drove it around for about 6 or 7 months. Then I got bored with it, and at that time I was racing a speedway and I was racing a HR Sedan Holden. Used to call it the Bombers, now today they call it the Street Stocks. You wouldn't believe it, I decided I'd replace the transmission in it, and the transmission that was sold to me, I had it in there for about 4 days and that transmission blew up. Not that I was driving around hooning it. So then I ended up putting it into a manual. I put a manual box and all that sort of stuff in there, and I put 5-slot mags on there, the big old deep dish 5-slot mags. So that's what I'm going to do to this model. In one of my other videos, I'm actually going to take the stocky wheels off and I'm actually going to put the good old American US Racer 5-slot mags on it. So that's just a little bit of a story about one of my cars. I have a few other cars that are Trax models, which I'm going to share with you, which I'm going to convert into cars that I used to own. Alright guys, just a quick one today. Name's up on the screen, OldBright. 15% sales codes up on the screen, Sales Taz. Links are in the description down below where you can go and buy from these guys. There's 100% feedback, always answers whenever you email. So you do not have an issue at all whatsoever. Alright guys, thanks again for hanging around, thanks for watching, thanks for listening to my little story. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there somewhere, bing 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 bing, and that would be so cool if you could. Alright guys, like I was saying, take care, look after yourselves, and we'll catch us again on the next one. Bye for now.